Hello and welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena and in this video I'm going to show you how to make chickpea potato wrap. This is an easy wrap recipe for busy weeknights, so stay with me throughout the video to learn how I make chickpea potato wrap. First off, I'm going to start with boiling potatoes. In the Instant Pot, place trivet and add 1.5 cups of water. I'm going to use 3 medium-sized potatoes. I will just run knife through the potatoes so it gets evenly cooked. Place them on the trivet in the Instant Pot and set the Instant Pot on manual mode for 15 minutes. I already had boiled chickpeas in the freezer. I always boil chickpeas in advance and freeze them so that they are ready to use when needed. I also have another chickpea recipe, which is classic hummus recipe, that you can check it out on my channel. The link is in the description box down below. Chickpeas are perfectly boiled for this recipe, so let me know in the comment section if you want to learn how I boil chickpeas using my Instant Pot. Now for the spices, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of whole cumin, 2 teaspoons of grated ginger, 2 teaspoons of green chilies, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 2.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of crushed fennel seeds, half teaspoon of kasuri methi. For the chutneys, I'm going to use the cilantro chutney. I already have a video on how I make cilantro chutney at home. The link is in the description box. And another chutney is apple butter chutney. I have posted that video as well. It's a really quick video you can watch on my channel. The link is in the description box, or you can use tamarind chutney as well. I always let the Instant Pot sit for good 30 to 40 minutes to let it naturally release the inbuilt pressure when I boil potatoes. This just helps get the perfect boiled potatoes. Let them sit out for some time to cool off a little bit and then peel off the skin. Dice them up into a small to medium sized cubes. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome! Please subscribe so you don't miss out new videos I post, and don't forget to hit the like button down below. In a pot, add 4 tablespoons of oil. Set the flame on medium to low. Once the oil is hot, add cumin, grated ginger, and green chilies. Saute it for about 15 seconds. Then add boiled chickpeas. Turn up the flame to medium again and cook for about a couple of minutes. Add boiled potatoes and mix it well. Then I'm gonna add all of my spices. There goes in coriander powder, garam masala, chaat masala, crushed fennel seeds, and kasuri methi. Add salt according to your taste. I added about 1.5 teaspoons because I also boiled chickpeas with some salt in it. So adjust it accordingly. Add about a tablespoon of oil if needed and cook this mixture for 5 minutes. I'm going to add some chopped cilantro. It's totally optional. Now this wrap mixture is ready. Let me show you how I assemble this chickpea potato wrap. In a bowl, I will take about 1/4 portion of chickpea potato mixture. Into that, add 1 tablespoon of cilantro chutney and 2 to 3 tablespoons of apple butter chutney. Mix this really well. The reason I mix chutneys in it because I like to have the spicy, sweet and tangy taste in every bite of this wrap. But this is totally optional. You can just use tablespoons or 2 tablespoons of chutneys and just spread it around the tortillas. I have this large tortilla and I'm gonna add the prepared mixture in the middle of this tortilla and wrap the tortilla just like this. Chickpea potato wrap is ready. Serve this wrap with some more apple butter chutney or with some ketchup. Everyone in my house really enjoyed this chickpea potato wrap with tomato ketchup. I occasionally add some cheese into this, or you can also add some paneer as well. Hope you like this recipe and do give it a try. Leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.